So students, let me discuss with you again. This is river. River is flowing in this direction. So you have only, means we have discussed two possible cases. One is when you are moving in this direction, this is the velocity of man, and this is the velocity of river. So this will be your resultant velocity. Okay. In the second case, this man, velocity of man is in this direction, velocity of river is in this direction, and this will be the resultant velocity of man. This is the resultant velocity of man. Okay. So then what is this? This is the velocity of man in still water. Means this is his, you can say vertical velocity. This is his horizontal velocity. So he has two velocities. One vertical velocity, another horizontal velocity. If you are calling this is not vertical, means this is the direction in means north direction. So velocity in north direction, this is the velocity in east direction, and that's the resultant velocity. So here in this case, as I told you, this is the initial position and this is the final position. So here in this case, this is your initial position, this is your final position. Resultant will tell you, na? So here, this is your initial, this is your final, so this is the shortest distance case. And here, you are moving in straight direction, so this distance is d, width of the river. So in the direction of d, shortest distance, this d, this is the shortest distance, so Vm is in this direction. So then only it will be traveled in the least time. So here, shortest time, or you can say, so this is the shortest distance, or so what is this case? Shortest possible path. So shortest possible path. So which case will we be taking? First case or second case? Shortest possible path. See, this is, I told you, this is the resultant, this is your path. Man is, he tries to flow in this direction, but due to the river flow, this will be his path. This is the resultant velocity. So the resultant velocity is always your path. Okay. Because see, resultant velocity, forget these two velocity. This is the resultant velocity. Forget these two velocity. This is the resultant velocity. So obviously, this is the direction of resultant velocity. So he will be moving in this direction. See, wind is flowing in this direction. Rain is in this direction. So what will be the resultant? Now the resultant velocity of rain is this. So forget these two. That's the resultant velocity of the rain. This much angle with the horizontal, with the vertical. Okay. So resultant velocity means the man is now moving in this direction. So now there are three things, students. Don't get confused. Let me discuss with you. This is the first thing, VR. This is the second, Vm. And this is the third, resultant velocity. Okay. Now if you want to cover this distance, d, you will take Vm. If you want to cover this distance, suppose this distance is s. So covering s distance, Vr. If you are covering this distance, suppose this is length L, so this velocity will go. So it depends on which distance you are traveling. So that distance, that velocity, that distance, but time will be same in all the three cases. Okay. Is it okay? Now you have shortest possible path, so that's the shortest possible. This is your path, shortest distance or path. So even displacement is also shortest here. Okay. So what is given to you? 5 kilometer in still water. So let us draw this diagram. This is your 5, okay. 1 kilometer is the width of the river. So this is 5 kilometer per hour. This is 1 kilometer is this distance. And he is covering it in 15 minutes. So 1 kilometer. So what is the velocity here? 1 kilometer in 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is 1 by 4 hour. So 1 divided by 1 by 4 hour. So that's 4 kilometer per hour. Right. So that's the velocity in this direction. So here the velocity is 4. This is 3. So this is Pythagorean triplet. So this will be 3. So under the root 5 square minus 4 square, that will be 3 square. 3. Right. So that's the velocity of the river. Yes, velocity of the river. Got it, students?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So I hope that now you people are able to handle these questions comfortably.